How to comment on Instagram post with a photo. Is it possible? Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram application on your device. So just go to the Play Store and search for Instagram. So as you can see, I have the latest version of the application on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. Now after that, what you can do is you can just go to any post over here, wherever you want to comment. Now, for example, if I want to comment on this, I'll just have to go on comment button over here. After that, tap on the comment section. And as you can see, I don't have any other option of commenting with a photo. I can only comment through my words by typing or with the emoji that I have been selecting or with the GIF section over here that you can see. So I can comment through this only, but it is not possible to comment on Instagram post with a photo. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.